Smartling's connector for Braze enables Smartling users to simply and easily request HTML templates and content blocks to be translated. Once you've created your content within Braze, simply navigate to the Smartling dashboard. In the Braze tab, users will be able to select the content type they wish to translate, find the relevant content they wish to request for translation, selecting individual assets or multiple assets. Once selected, they can simply request the translation. Giving this a job name, selecting the target languages we wish to translate this document into, and simply selecting Save. The Smartling dashboard will give you the user then the ability to understand how much content is being requested for translation, leverage against the translation memory, such as reuse of footers, headed, or shared content across pre-translated assets. The user would then also be able to see any updates to the cost estimate and even be able to change to different workflows based on that content. When changing to different workflows, things like the cost estimate and the due dates will update based on the SLAs and the rates for those specific workflows. Once satisfied, the user can simply authorize the job and start the translation flow. This will automatically send the job to the relevant translators to start translating that content. At all times, the user can monitor the progress of that content as it passes through the different workflow steps. The Smartling translators will be leveraging the Smartling CAT tool, the computer-aided translation tool, enabling them to see the translations in context in the email, ensuring as they update all translations, how they look in the updated email, and how they're displayed, enabling them to understand if that content still fits within those relevant elements, such as buttons, or being able to see non-displayed content, such as accessibility options, image alt tags. All are available for localization, ensuring all components are fully localized into the native language. Once the translator completes the translations, that information will automatically be submitted to the next step within the translation flow. This is all updated real-time within the Smartling dashboard. As the content flows through, as each language completes, that content is automatically sent back to Braze, creating the relevant localized assets directly within Braze. No need for the Braze user to export or import that content back into Braze. It is automatically done through the Smartling connector as those languages complete. The Smartling CAD tool enables the linguist to leverage pre-existing translations to ensure they're never translating the same thing twice, and to also enable consistency and accuracy throughout the full translation process. As we can now see, that translation job has been completed. All languages and content is automatically synchronized back to Braze. The Smartling Braze connector can also be set on auto for synchronizing prior requests for translation. This enables Smartling to automatically pull in changes to pre-existing translated content, so as the original source assets get updated within Braze, the user no longer has to request those to be translated or updated again. The connector will automatically keep all language versions in sync with the updated source language.